Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I am unboxing my design team kit from Miss Lynette over at Cheaply Chic. She does a quarterly junk journal kit, and this time it is the smooth sailing kit. I'm super excited to open this up. It looks like so much fun so far. I haven't opened up the journal yet, and I haven't watched her video on this yet. I need to go over and do that. But if you haven't seen her video on when she showed what was included in this kit, I'll put the link for her channel down below and you can go over there and check it out. She puts together wonderful kits, and I'm so privileged to be on her design team. So this is perfect for summertime, and it is super hot here, so we're just in the middle of summer, and when I opened this up I was like, wow, this is perfect. I love it. I love this. There's seashells in here and nautical rope, and so it's just an awesome like summer nautical themed kit. Alrighty, so let's get into looking at this. She always includes a little letter, and it always has some fun graphics on one side and then the letter, and I just love how she ties the collection to like a little devotional. So I'll have to read that later, but love that. Here is the ephemera pack that comes with it, and then in this pack it is the journal, and what she does is she decorates the cover, and then she includes several sheets of tea-stained paper and other vintage papers on the inside that are pretty plain, so that you can use all this fun ephemera to decorate it. But this is gorgeous. I love it. It's a traveler size notebook, like the size to fit into a traveler's notebook. So I think it's like 4 1/4 by 8 1/2 maybe. I'm not sure. This is beautiful. I love it. It says smooth sailing down there. Has some fun, like a doily piece or a crocheted piece here, and then there's a burlap wrapped around and sewn on top of it, and then some cheesecloth in the background that she sewed on. Now the paper is absolutely beautiful. And this looks like a vintage playing card on the front that she layered onto some like maybe a book page there. So that looks awesome, and I love the paper. It's a double-sided floral with like a wood grain in the background, and then on this side is a striped, kind of looks like a knit burlap or canvas and a white stripe. So you open it up here, and then it has this fun netting on that kind of sits inside for a bookmark. And then it has, oh, that's cool, lighthouse paper, this tea-stained paper here, more tea-stained paper, her signature heart stained paper. Here's a Moby Dick book page. That's awesome. Glassine bag in there. Here is a page that has a ship on it. Some manuscript paper, more tea-stained paper. This one, oh, this is neat. Where do you get all these cool forms? This is like a boat form, and it has like a port of departure with the location, date, and time, the weather conditions, the crew. That's awesome. More tea-stained paper. And then here are the other sides to this. Lynette, you did an awesome job of pulling together different items. Dutch Galliot. She always does, though. She always just, everything just always goes so well together. There's the other side of that paper. So that's the book, and then in here is all the fun ephemera. So here is a little glassine bag with another one of the vintage playing cards. And a little tag. This little baggie has lots of little items. Some tickets, some punch outs that she did with the scraps of paper. She always includes fun little punches with that. And then this looks like a postcard, a little mini vellum postcard, some map stickers, or like globe kind of stickers. They look like a nautical map. Couple little price tag, clothing tags. Here's a vintage transparency or slide. Couple more tags, claim check. This is a, looks like a little flashcard to learn, I think, Spanish. I'm not sure. Sorry if it's not right. Then a couple more tags and a memory dex card. Alrighty, moving over here. Here's the little bag of fibers and yarns that go perfectly with this. This one has a little bag of shells. That's awesome. And then in here is a binder clip and a ring and a little chain to make a tassel. And here is a starfish charm and a little bottle with a cork. That's adorable. And then here is the beaded bookmark that she always makes. And of course it matches perfectly here. So it is a wax thread, and then she puts beads on both ends, so you can just lay it in the middle of the book like this, and it just hangs out the edges. So it's just perfect for when you're working on your book. Alrighty, so she always stamps the tag, and so she did that with some palm trees and some seagulls, and then hello summer. Here's a little doily, and then in here is a little extra baggie of paper clips, gold ones. In this bag there are the bigger tags and other items that are bigger sized. So a bunch of different little ephemera pieces. Here's a library Dewey Decimal System card. A library card with the pocket. And then an inventory tag, another manila tag, a guest check, a tag made with the paper, a flashcard, and a claim check. So that's what's in that little goodie bag. There's this really cool rope, nautical rope. That'll be fun to figure something out with. Not sure what. You could like take the pieces apart and make it a little bit smaller. And then here is a really cool seashell napkin. Oh, this is cute. Here's a square of the paper. That's an awesome little turtle there, and that's a really nice side as well. Here's a note card with this ship on the front. That'll be fun to work with. And then an envelope to go with it. Here is a weekly time record. Those are always really cute. And then the last items are this really cool paper. It looks like an old vintage paper. A seashell page. And then another book page. Several little book pages. These are all from Moby Dick. Just 4 little ones. And then here is, this is cool. This is a like a navigation form. So it just has the date, the destination, the weather, the forecast, wind, visibility, sea conditions, and then just they keep track of their time and their course, speed, distance, navigation, and remarks. So that's so cool. And then here is a page from the Book of Old Ships. That's really cool. Yeah, this is awesome, Lynette. I cannot wait to get started on this. So this will be really cool. So why don't you go ahead and go on over to Miss Lynette's channel, check out her channel. She's an awesome junk journalist and crafter. She puts together awesome junk journal kits, and I'll have a link down below for her Etsy shop as well if you want to check this out. I'm not sure what's available right now, but I know she has other past kits and things that she might have available if this one is not. But hopefully you're able to pick this one up. Alrighty. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.